Hey there. So you're using HubSpot since quite some time and a lot more than often. What happens is that your data gets poisoned. This can lead to really bad data collection practices. This is because of the fact that there was no ability to delete form submissions inside HubSpot. But right now, there's something new in a private beta, and today we are going to talk about the same. So guys, one of the biggest updates for HubSpot in 2024 has dropped just now. And this is something which will help you because now you don't have to worry about Rakesh from marketing filling in your forms a lot of times. And yes, your data will not be poisoned anymore. So what is this? This is the ability to delete form submissions inside HubSpot. In order to access this, firstly log into your HubSpot account. Once you have done this, click on the top right, then click on product updates. You have to enroll in this beta right now. So search for delete form submissions. And this is the beta. And here's the footage for when we applied inside the beta. Right now, once we have been approved for this beta, there's this option to leave the beta. And this is the thing that I also want to stress about, that when you are inside a beta, all of the features and functionalities are something that you have to take with a pinch of salt. And whenever you apply to a beta, proceed at your own caution. So this beta is okay, it does not break anything, so that's pretty good. And in order to access this beta right now, go back to your HubSpot dashboard. You don't need to go back, but we are doing it. And then you click on marketing. Once you click on marketing, click on forms. Inside the forms, choose one of the form that you think has a lot of redundant data. For example, this form right here seems like it has a lot of entries, and let's just check how much data does it have. So you click on submissions, and here we can see there are a lot of records which seem like they are of no use. So for example, on the record itself, there's an option to delete it. That's good. And apart from that, I can select these records now. Earlier, there was no such option. I can now select these form submissions. And these submissions, when I have selected them, there is the option for submissions selected. Do you want to delete? Yes, I want to delete these. And it's as easy as that. And now you can finally get rid of false form submissions or bad form submissions. And this will make your HubSpot journey even more easy. So guys, what do you think about this private beta? Do let us know in the comments below. Would you enable this for your workspace? Do let us know about that. And in case you need our help in order to build something awesome or custom of your own, do feel free to reach out to us via the link in the description below or via the QR code on the screen in front of you. And guys, I'll see you soon in the next video.